Ever needed to take a quick screenshot but not sure how? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Whether you want to capture your entire screen, just a part of it, or even a specific window. Let's dive right in. To capture your entire screen, simply press Command plus Shift plus 3 at the same time. This will instantly take a screenshot of everything on your screen and save it to your desktop. Use Command plus Shift plus 4. Your cursor will change into a crosshair. Click and drag to select the area you want to capture, and once you let go, the screenshot will be saved right to your desktop. Now, if you want to screenshot just a specific window, press Command plus Shift plus 4, then hit the spacebar. Your cursor will turn into a camera icon, and you can click on any window to capture just that. And that's it. Screenshots made super simple on your Mac. Whether you're capturing your entire screen, a part of it, or just a window, you're now a pro at taking screenshots. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you out, and subscribe for more quick tech tips.